Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling data, 30 to 90 days of bank activity, cleared items, and processor reports. Once collected, you map each payment with its issue time, bank receipt time, and actual settlement time so you can measure delay. Now begin tagging items that aren't under your control, for example, third-party processors, correspondent banks, and weekend holds, because those create independent float. Make sure to separate controlled timing policies from external delays. This split is how you isolate independent float. Now calculate per item float by subtracting issue time from settlement time. Use hours or days depending on volume. Once done, group results by payee, channel, and bank corridor to expose repeat patterns. That reveals where independent float accumulates. Next, remove known, controllable cutoffs or internal batching from your dataset so you're left only with external delay. This filtered set represents independent float, the funds timing you cannot move by changing your internal process. Finally, compute average independent float in days and convert to dollar impact by multiplying average daily balance by the float days. This gives you a clear cost metric. Then rank the top 5 corridors or processors by contribution and quantify potential savings from mitigation. If numbers look odd, troubleshoot. Recheck timestamps, time zone conversions, daylight saving shifts, and duplicate or missing entries, a common source of error. If unresolved, escalate to the processor with concrete examples and timeline evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.